Okay, Kids Take Action Part 2. Last week, Kids Take Action Part 1, you read the introduction. Now you're reading another section of it. We're actually skipping Chapter 1. If you want to read it, you can, but this is specifically focused on Chapter 2, pages 14 to 23. So here's the link to the book, and then there are 3 questions. It's a good idea to read the questions before. Then when you're reading, you have some idea what you're looking for. For example, what is the main idea of the section Brianna's Law? And then which details help support it. So it's good to know that you're looking for the main idea as you are reading it. So they're all different examples of how kids have taken action and made a difference in the world. So again, this first section is called Brianna's Law. You're looking for the main idea and details. Then there's this second section called Utah Youth Fights Pollution. You're looking to figure out what can you infer about what motivated students to change laws in Utah Youth Fights Pollution. So why did these students want to change the laws, and which clues helped you figure out what motivated them? And then the last one, what positive effect does Grow NYC's youth market have on the teenagers who run it and on their communities? So the next section, want to make sure there you go, this section. Still read these pages about Haley Thomas to the rescue. There aren't any questions about that, but it's still an interesting story. And then here's the section about Grow NYC's youth market. So what positive impacts did it have on the teens and on their community? And then there's just the conclusion. That's the assignment for this one. There isn't a code word for today since this is not a must do, it's a should do. I still would love you to read it, partly because these kids are really inspiring and it's just stories about kids. So it doesn't have quite as many hard words as some of the other stories. You can always listen to it read to you, but it's just interesting to hear about different kids and different ways that they are helping to make the world a better place.